Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and all of you who are new to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, I'm Shreya Agarwal and I am here to entertain you with my fashion and beauty tips out there. Also guys, please to subscribe to my channel. It will mean the absolute world to me. So yes guys, today's video is all about telling you about the luxury starter makeup kit. So I'm doing this video because many of us are little skeptical while buying the luxury makeup products, and also when you are spending this much amount of money, you want something which will last for you and which will make your makeup game go strong. So yes guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Tan, tan, so this is the whole luxury starter makeup kit which I have for all of you. And also guys, I'm going to tell you like 2 products each. In some of the categories I may have the same brand with different variants, but I will try to include all the products which I can and believe that they will work best for you. So yes guys, now I am going to start with my first product, which is the foundation, and for that I have 2 products out there. So first one I have is this Huda Beauty foundation. I'm just going to open it because the packaging is really okay. This is how the product looks like, and I am really crazy for this product because this one is really good. It is a buildable foundation. Also the whole coverage is very amazing. I really love it, and from the time I've started using this foundation, I have literally dumped all other foundations and is sticking to this one. So yes guys, this one is like a highly recommended product from my side. Then the other product which I have for you is this MAC Studio Fix, and also guys, I know this one is like a very hype product in a good and a positive way guys, yes, and I really enjoy using this one. But the only drawback I feel with this foundation is that it gets oxidized, while the Huda Beauty one is not showing any oxidization, particularly on my skin. I don't know about others, but it works well for my skin. So these are the 2 foundations I personally believe are the best when it comes to full coverage and also for party makeup. So yes guys, these 2 are worth buying. Then for the concealer, I have only one, which is the Huda Beauty concealer, and I'm not showing any other concealer guys because I don't use any of it. I only stick to Huda Beauty, and so I'm just showing you this. And guys, if you would be thinking कि मैं और कोई foundation और कोई concealer in a variety क्यों नहीं दिखा रही, because guys, these 2 foundations which I earlier showed you and this concealer are the only products which I use, and I don't want to give you any wrong indications. So yes guys, these are the full proof tested products, and I would highly recommend you to buy this. This one is in the shade, I guess, Graham Cracker, and this one is like the best concealer I have ever used when it comes to luxury. Yes guys, this one is the best, and also this gives me the best coverage ever. The formulation is also very smooth. You don't feel any cakiness on your skin after applying this concealer, and just blends so smoothly and perfectly with your skin that you don't need any other thing on your face after this. So yes guys, a highly recommended product from my side. Now I'm going to show you all the loose powders which I feel are really good when it comes to luxury products. Also guys, I'm going in a sequence way, like how we use the foundation first, then the concealer, and then the powders, so that it becomes easy for you as well to just grab all of it in. So yes guys, the third product I have for you, first one is this loose powder which is from Laura Mercier. So this is how the packaging looks like. The packaging is really luxurious, and also the texture of this powder is so mild and fine that you won't feel any heaviness or any dryness after using this powder, and I really recommend you guys to try this one. I know this isn't available in India, but definitely you can check the Instagram stores who just have this powder, and you can definitely buy that from them. And also guys, if you aren't that into buying it from an Instagram store because of the authenticity. So yes guys, the second powder which I have for you is from Becca. It's their Hydra Mist powder. I don't know if you are able to see it or not. Yeah, now it's visible. So yes guys, this powder is almost like the Laura Mercier one. This is also very fine and a mild powder which just glides onto your skin very smoothly and gives you that baking effect if you want to have. And you can always use this powder and just make your makeup look all set. So yes guys, I would highly recommend this powder as well to you. And yes guys, this one is available on Nykaa. So if you aren't into buying from Instagram stores, then you can definitely buy this from Nykaa. Okay, so after doing all of the face things, now let's go to the eye one, because I go in this manner while applying my makeup. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you in that manner itself. So what I usually do is, yeah, first I'll start with my brows. So these are the two products which I use while doing my brows. So this one is the Ka Brow, and I really love it because whenever I do any of my party makeups, this is the only product, like these two are the only products which I use. So first, this one is like a crayon thing, so you can basically a gel tub. So what you can do is, like wherever you feel you have spaces onto your eyebrow, you can just put that and fill it up. Okay. So the second product I have is this Gimme Brow Mascara, and I really love it. So what I do is, for my party makeup I use both of them, and if I'm just going for a very light makeup thing, I just apply this one because this is a very amazing product to use. It will never give you a very made up eyebrow look, but at the same time your eyebrows look really sharp and amazing. So yes guys, if you are a person who is lazy to make your whole eyebrows up, then definitely go for this mascara and it will just sort your life out. Then what else? Okay, so the next product I'm gonna show you is okay, so we'll go with the eyeshadows. So the first one I have here is this Urban Decay Heat Palette. This has like the best colors ever. You will get all the browns, all the nudes, everything out here, and I love this palette. You have the shimmers, you even have the transition shades out here, then also the dark shades to make it a bit smoky. So yes guys, this is an all-in-one palette and I really love it. I know this one is also not available in India, but you can definitely get it from any of the Instagram stores. And also, if you don't want to go with this one, then I have this Huda Beauty Obsession palette. So I have this in the shade Sapphire Obsession, but you can definitely get in many other shades. Like one more I have of this is the Mauve Obsession. That palette is also like really amazing. It has all the pinks, all the nudes, everything all in one. It's like I guess 9 shade palette. Yeah, so there are like 9 shades on this palette as well. So the other one, the mauve one, also has the same thing. There are like 9 shades. Also there are like 2 or 3 shimmers in that palette as well. So yeah, you can definitely go because the pigmentation in both these palette is amazing, like top notch if you will say in terms. And so I would highly recommend you guys to buy both these palettes if you want to spend a good amount. Okay guys, so the next product I'm going to show you is this mascara, and I really recommend you to buy this one because this just not only gives you the volumizing effect but also thickens, lengthens, curls, everything. Like this is an all-in-one mascara for me and I would highly recommend this one. This is the Bad Girl Bang Mascara, and truly guys, if you want to spend in a good mascara, then I would definitely recommend to buy this and no other mascara beyond this. Yes guys, but I have one more. So this one is, sorry, okay, messy me, can't do anything. So yes guys, for this one I would say ki if you want like a very heavy party makeup look or you love doing your lashes, then definitely go for this. But if you aren't that into lashes but still want them to look a bit good when you're doing your makeup, because it actually enhances your whole makeup look. So for that I would recommend this MAC one. And yeah, I would really recommend you. So this one is like the extended play Giga Black Lash. This also gives you a very good effect, but not like this one. This will lengthen, gives volume, but only to a respective level, not like this one which is like out of your level and just makes your lashes look like wow. So this one you can even use when you don't want to use your fake lashes. This is the effect of this mascara. But for this one, this is for your days when you don't want a mascara or your lashes to look that hyped. So yeah, you can definitely go for this, and it is also a decent good mascara, I would say. Okay guys, so the last thing I believe for my eyes is the liner. So this one is again from Benefit. It's their roller liner, and I really love it because firstly it glides on so easily. Even on your chunky eyeshadows it works so well. The tip is like a very good one, so you can definitely go with your wing liners or even your graphic liners. It works perfectly. The whole I'll show you the pigmentation. See guys, this is like one swipe of it and you can see how beautifully it glides onto my skin. I can show you again. See guys, can you see it, how black it is? So yes guys, if you also want something like this, then definitely spend on this one. Now we are just finished with all my eye thing. Let's move on to blush, which is like my favorite part as always. So the first one is from MAC, and I really love this one. You can even see it's almost going out. I'll show you. See guys, the pan is almost about to finish, as you can see, because I really love it. Also the color is so amazing. It's a very neutral pink color which I love a lot, and the pigmentation is like damn good. So the color is Blush Baby Sheer Tone Blush. It's the best blush I've ever seen and I've ever used, and I would highly recommend you guys to try this. It's a very nude pink and goes well with all of your makeup looks. So yeah, amazing. Then also this one, this is the second one which I have again from Benefit. Guys, I know you must be thinking yaar sare products to Benefit ke hi dikha diye, but guys I can't help it because I love Benefit as a brand and I've used most of their products. But till now I have been using all their eye products or the blush, contour, that are the things which are like really good as well when it comes to Benefit. They are like the best brand when it comes to all these products. So yeah, I'll show this one. And so I've opened this one for you, and you can see this one is their Benetint, which is the perfect one. You can always use it while you are going, like if you have your bare face, you can always just dab it onto your face and go. It gives a very fresh and a flushed look. Also, like before makeup, I always try to put this before going on with my foundation because it gives you a very natural finish after you are done with the foundation. It doesn't make your face look really white or cakey after using it. Okay, so now next step I'm going to show you the contours I love. So the first one is from Benefit again. It's their Hoola contour, and I love this one. So this is their authentic, not authentic you can say, but the most loved product by everybody. It's the normal Hoola contour, and that's the shade it has. I really love it for light contouring because according to my shade, this one is a very light contour. So I always use this on my nose and over my chin and on the forehead. So these are the areas where I use this one. And for my cheek area, which is the most important thing to chisel, so I always use this one. So this one is the Hoola contour toasted, so that's the variant I use it in. It's a bit dark and it gives such a chiseled effect on my face that I just can't live without this contour, and I really love it. Also, this can be used as a bronzing powder as well. So yeah, and also this one never gives you a very cakey effect. It just blends in so smoothly with your face that I am just drooled over this product. I can't just make any wrong view because this is that amazing, that drooling, that I don't have any negative opinion about this product. And then I also have one more product. So this one is the Hoola stick. This one is on a creamy side. So all of you guys out there who have oily skin or love to do creams and then go on with the powders, they can definitely go with this one. I love the packaging. It looks so luxurious that, you know what guys, I don't use it that much because I am more of a powder person, but when I go for parties I always try to do first my cream products and then over powders. So then I use this product. You can see this. That's the whole thing, and I personally bought it because I love the packaging. That's the only reason I got it, but still I use it. And for people who are not into powders, they can definitely go for this because it is exact copy of this one. Yeah, this is like both of them are the exact copy of each other. This one is the powder and this one is the cream, the only difference between both of them. Okay guys, now we have reached almost to the end of this video and I'm going to show you my favorite thing and the favorite part of me, which is the highlighters. I really love highlighters, and I actually think this is the only step that just enhances your makeup to the next level guys. And for that I have this is the Becca Champagne Pop, which is like, oh god guys, I just can't stop raving about this product, trust me. Firstly, the packaging, such a pretty packing, like oh god, I am a lover of this product. Then I'll show you the color and the texture guys. See, so guys, this is like the best highlighter. It's so creamy, it isn't chunky, it isn't like giving you sparkle onto your face. It gives such an in-glow finish to your makeup. Now I'll show you the texture. First you can see guys how easily it's gliding onto my finger, and now see the effect. Just one swipe guys. So literally just this one is just a swipe and you can see how pretty the highlighter is. Like wow, like it glides so smoothly onto your skin as well and gives you such a perfect finish. You would never use any other highlighter, trust me on this, and you will always buy this. Also this one is the miniature form and I would highly recommend you guys to buy this only because highlighter is something which you don't need in a very huge amount and this one will last you for a very long time. So yes guys, win-win situation, less price and also last you a very long time. और भी कुछ चाहिए क्या? I don't think so. Okay, now the second one is this is the MAC Strobe cream. I know this one shouldn't be in the highlighter thing, but most of us actually put this after makeup, which I won't recommend because it's a cream product after all, and putting this onto your makeup will definitely hamper your last stage, which is the powders. Because no guys, powders and cream shouldn't be overlaid like this. Like first the powders, first the creams should be there and then it should be layered with powders. This is how your makeup should be done. So I would highly recommend you guys to apply this before any foundation because it gives you such a flawless finish. It isn't making your skin cakey, it gives you an in-glow you can say glow, which is a perfect thing and we all want it, है ना? So why not? So always use it before your foundation, and I am using this in the shade Golden Light, which is the best shade I believe. Also Pink Light is the one which I have seen people raving about, but this one goes well with my skin tone. So I would say guys, go for it. The best highlighter ever. And Trust me guys, you won't regret buying this one. Okay guys, with this we just come to the end of the video, and I really hope you enjoyed this one. And also guys, if you're watching the video till the end, please do yaar, like to banta hi hai. And the drill that we all know, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel guys. It will mean the absolute world to me. Till then, see ya, bye, love you.